Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is the Friday edition of Fight Club, where we scan the Forex market for trades using the No Nonsense Forex method. So today we'll have a quick look at the news and see what we can see. There are some what they deem as high impact events that don't worry us too much. At least they're not on the No Nonsense Forex watch list. There are, however, a couple that are on the watch list. So the pound GDP is definitely one of them, and we've also got CAD employment here. So those two are off the table for today. We'll just double check my FX book, but it is pretty much the same thing. So that being said, let's jump into the charts and see if we can see anything. So I don't have any open positions. We can jump to the watch list and see if anything has changed there. No, not yet for that one. And same deal, like right, right there, right on the indicator, but not good enough yet. So let us have a quick flick through, see what we can see. So we're kind of close to a continuation trade here. If we pop back down below this baseline, everything is still sort of lining up, then we can jump into that, but not yet. Same sort of scenario. So the Aussie pairs have had a bit of a pullback. That one is right. So that one is technically a trade. We have a base cross here. We have our cross here on the C1, although I don't like the crosses above, but that's okay. We have a cross on the zero line here. We've got volume on both of these, obviously huge volume there, but we are definitely more than one ATR away. What we needed was for this to come back to here, and then we could have gone long on that one, but we'll keep having a look. Okay, so same deal with Aussie. Even though I don't want it to keep going down, if it closes above this base and then comes back in and closes below the base, and it's not a huge candle, then that's a continuation trade for me. But alright, let's scan through these nice and fast. Nothing new. This is interesting. Yeah, geez, the color's not good. I might have to change that. So yeah, I guess we're kind of going to close below that moving average, so below our base there. We're still sort of in alignment with everything. We don't have any volume there, but it's not required for a continuation trade. Just want to have a look at this here for my own amusement. Right, so I guess we can do that. I'm going to take it at 1% risk, not 2. So I like to drop my risk on that a little bit. Bang. And there we have it. If you like the new tool here, has a risk adjustment right on the tool, so it lets me do that without getting in and changing the settings. It's still being tested though, so I know a lot of people are asking, why have you got a different trade assistant? Well, that's the reason why. There's a couple of additions and changes, so I'm testing it at the moment. Quite the pullback on that one, and yep, we'll keep looking. Now this, yeah, no, we're too many candles away, so we've got a 1 candle pullback rule which isn't matched. Okay. This is kind of interesting. Not there yet, but yeah, I know USD is Euro USD is kind of a bad one, but does have potential here to get into a long trade if my C2 crosses up here, and we get, which will only happen if we get a bit of a change of direction, then it might be okay, but it's kind of a weak cross. Ooh. Okay, so another one to keep an eye on, although we're not in any pound pairs today, so I'm gonna just whip through these nice and quick. Nope. Again, CAD pairs are out for today. Kiwi ones have had some big moves, so the chances of them lining up for a continuation trade are not great so quickly. Usually if they retrace quickly, then it's going to be about news or something that's pushed it that hard. Again, here we could possibly in the future get if we cross and then move up, then we're going to get a continuation trade on those. Right, so that is it for today. Again, we did get one trade in, which was nice to get trade every now and then. We haven't had any for a while, and we'll check it again tomorrow morning. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you all again tomorrow. Cheers.